Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to download the Shein app on your Android device so you can explore amazing fashion items at your fingertips. Let's get started. Open the Play Store app on your Android device. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. If not, log in to proceed. On the Play Store homepage, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Shein in the search field and press Enter. The Play Store will display the Shein app in the search results. Once you find the Shein app, tap the Install button next to it. Your Android device will begin downloading the app. After the download is complete, your device will automatically scan the app for security. When the installation is done, tap Open to launch the Shein app. All that's left is to create an account or log in to your existing one, and you're ready to start browsing and shopping for your favorite fashion items. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more app tutorials and tech tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated.